Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart Z, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the phone to an SD card or vice versa. So I'll actually start off by capturing a couple photos so I have something to transfer. There we go, it should be good enough. So to start off, open up your Files app, which is right here, this yellow folder. And from here I have the two options, just update later. You have the internal storage, which is the storage of your device, and then you have memory card, which is, well, the SD card. So choose whichever one contains the files that you wish to transfer. I'm gonna check where mine are, which, there they are. So mine are on the phone itself. Now, key thing to keep in mind, photos and videos that you have captured with the device will be always located under the DCIM folder. Screenshots will be under Pictures. Then you have downloads, which have anything that you've downloaded using email and Google as a browser. And then anything else usually is placed there by the user. So movies, music, it should be usually empty as long as you haven't put anything in there. So once we got that out of the way, I can now search for whatever that is that you wish to move. And like I said, I'm going to use the photos. You want to navigate there. And you want to select. Now there's a couple ways you can do it. If you have an entire folder full of photos that you wish to move, well, all of them, you can actually go and select the entire folder itself by just holding it. And once you hold it for a second or two, it appears with this blue check mark and the two options to copy or move. So you can do it this way, or you can also go inside and select each individual file by holding the first one till it also becomes blue like this one with the check mark. And then the rest you can just simply tap on it to select it additionally add more. And again, you have the two options to copy or move. Now, key thing to keep in mind, copy will basically make an additional copy, keeping the original where they are right now and moving a new copy of them to a desired location. While move will completely remove them from where they are right now and move it to your new location. So choose whichever one you want to perform. And then we'll navigate to where we want to move it to. So I'm gonna select the entire folder just to keep it simple, like so, and I'm gonna move it. So move, and then we want to navigate where we want to move that entire folder to. So for me, I'm gonna move it to the internal or the external storage. I'm in the internal right now, so I want to move it somewhere completely else. So I'll choose the memory card right here, and there is no DCIM folder, so I could either move it right here by tapping the move button right here, or I can actually create a folder by the same name so it keeps it organized. So I would just do it DCIM like so, confirm it, and then I can go into it and move. And you can see that now we have a new folder with the camera folder where all the pictures were located. Now if I go back to the internal storage where the photos originated from, you can see that there is 0. So the folder is now completely empty because of the choice that I have, the cut option that I have chosen. So that is how you would move any kind of other file. It works the same way for anything that you're trying to move. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.